So y'all know about this snowstorm, right? I don't care what anybody say, this snowstorm is created through cloud seeding technology. If you look at the map, right, it's like in the northwest of the state, right? But it's mainly in Texas. And you want to know something? So look at this, right? Rainmaker, it's a cloud seeding technology company. So the company specializes in cloud seeding.
Yes, Rainmaker conducted cloud seeding in Texas, but it did not cause the deadly floods that occurred there in July 2025.
That's what they want you to
The
think.
company carried out a cloud seeding mission over south central Texas on July 2, 2025, but suspended operations the same day due to abnormally high moisture content in the air. The two clouds seeded during the mission dissipated within hours, and such a short operation could not have affected the broader atmospheric conditions that led to the disaster. 134. Meteorologists say that cloud seeding can only enhance rainfall in existing clouds by up to 20%, which is not enough to create devastating flooding.
Like I said, right, that's what they want you to think. And y'all remember this company, right? Rainmaker, that cloud seeding technology company. So look, so you see their website, right? Rainmaker. And look what it says. Make rain, make snow, make droughts in. If that don't tell you in front of your fucking face, but oh, they saying they ain't doing this and they doing that, right? But this same company is creating snow in Texas. So they was doing it in South Texas right now. They doing it in North Texas. I see why they doing it in North Texas, right? Because they don't want things to be obvious, right? So they was doing it down here. Now they doing it up here. And you see all this snow accumulating in northern Texas.
Don't worry if you can't hear what I'm saying. I couldn't even hear myself. This is the loudest sound you could possibly conceive. And, as it turns out, the cleanest. Now, the most amazing thing is that that cloud up there, which was generated by the engine, is just a mixture of hydrogen and oxygen. It's water vapor. And in about an hour's time, someone in Mississippi is going to get wet washing. It will actually rain. I told you. It's raining. That's unbelievable. Oh, NASA's playing God. It's making its own weather.
And I don't care what anybody say, clouds are not real to me. I don't believe in none of that shit. Cause everything we taught in school is basically brainwashing, right? So you can't forget, like I said, you can't make it up, bro. Make rain, make snow, make droughts. That's their motto.